Hey everybody, this is Wakefield with another video, and what I want to talk to y'all today about is another fantastic place to get some traffic to your offers, squeeze pages, landing pages, blogs, whatever that you promoting online. And the name of this awesome place is called Viralurl. If you're a person who surf around online a lot, you might have seen this before. It's quite effective, and you can view websites and build up credits, or you can buy traffic at this fantastic site. And if you really want a lot of credits and a lot of exposures, you can upgrade your membership to a higher level and get some real good traffic to your site. And it's people in this community that are just dying to look at what you have to offer. So I would urge you to, surf sites for free and click on messages and build credits, and just use this platform wisely. And I would urge you to also promote your affiliate link. And some people just like to just look at the messages and get the credits, or just pay for traffic. But some people could be saying, why be an affiliate? Well, they're going to ask you, or tell you rather, why be an affiliate. When you sign up for free, go to affiliates and click on why promote. This pretty much explains the whole affiliate program in a nutshell. This shows what your commissions will be. They have a chart, and it breaks down every level when somebody joins you, what you would receive in commissions. And they will pay you every 2 weeks by PayPal. So they made this page because they know there's some people that ask that question, why promote it? And this is just an awesome place. Like I say, it's free to sign up. You can just navigate through the system on all of these links right here. It's pretty much self-explanatory. They pretty much cover every question that you probably have. They even have contests. I mean, it's just one place you don't want to pass up when promoting. But see, you can promote your stuff and then make commissions too. It just don't get no better than that. So, Viralurl, I wouldn't sleep on Viralurl at all. Like I say, this page breaks down on why you should be an affiliate. Then you can make commissions and promote your stuff at the same time. So that's just a win-win. So there's no more to be said about this. No need of making a 10 and 12 minute video on Viralurl. So it's pretty much a no-brainer to me. So I'm going to put a link below. I'm also going to put a link to my blog below so you can see what all I'm involved in. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell and set up your free Viralurl account. Y'all have a fantastic day. Peace.